If you only had 30 days, just 1 month to get rid of your stubborn belly fat. You want a lean body, you want your abs to show, build muscle, get shredded without starving yourself or experiencing fatigue. The workouts, the nutrition, the lifestyle habits that actually work. The fastest, the healthiest, and most effective way to get real results. And it's all science-based. So these are real transformation from people who followed my 30-day step-by-step program, Natty and Shredded. I'm Mark Ballet. I'm 43 years old. I'm a transformation coach based in Miami Beach, Florida. I help men over 30 lose belly, define abs, and get in their best shape with a step-by-step program designed for busy professionals, Natty and Shredded. As you start this journey, make sure you keep in mind a short-term goal. It can be really vague to have like this broad idea of like, I'm just doing this to live a healthier lifestyle, lose weight and stuff. I want you to be a lot more specific. A wedding, a photo shoot, whatever that is for you, something that gets you involved emotionally. Set new goals every month, every 2 months. Your appearance shapes how others see you, how they treat you, and the opportunities that come your way at work, relationships, because we wired to judge people based on what they look like. It's biological. Clear skin, good posture, symmetry, a toned body. These are signals of health, vitality, and strength. And in a world built on first impression, how you look becomes your first language. You're not just building muscle or burning fat, you're reshaping how the world responds to you. Let's talk about calorie deficit. At the end of the day, fat loss comes down to one simple truth. If you eat fewer calories than your body burns, you will lose fat. Don't be intimidated by the term deficit. It doesn't mean starving yourself. It just means eating a little less than your body needs to maintain its weight so it starts using stored fat for energy. It doesn't matter the type of diet you're on. If you're not in a calorie deficit, the fat won't come off. That's how you get lean, shredded, and finally lose your stubborn belly fat. Cutting around 500 calories a day from your weight maintenance level is usually enough to start losing fat steadily. For example, if your body needs 2,800 calories to maintain your weight, eating 2,300 calories a day puts you in a moderate calorie deficit and is sustainable. HIIT training, high intensity interval training, or HIIT, is definitely one of the most effective ways to burn fat and build muscles fast. Just 20 minutes of HIIT can burn as many calories as a full hour on a treadmill. You do 45 to 60 seconds bursts of max effort like jumping jacks, squats, push-ups, mountain climbers, burpees, etc., followed by really short rest periods, sometimes non-stop from one exercise to another, 20 to 30 minutes, and they're perfect mix of cardio and strength training. It creates afterburn. Your body keeps burning calories for up to 24 hours after your workout. That's called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. HIIT training will boost your metabolism and activate fat-burning hormones, helps preserve lean muscle and burns fat effectively. You can train 5 to 6 days a week. Even if you have like a busy schedule, it's only 30 minutes and you don't need no equipment. For extra intensity, some people will use sweat vests, like sauna jacket or rain jackets, or HIIT trapping clothing. It will increase calorie burn. Rest periods are super important for how effective your workout is. Like short rest, 15 to 30 seconds instead of 2 to 3 minutes to keep your heart rate up and your muscle under stress. That means you're burning more calories, boosting your metabolism and training your body more efficiently. Shorter rest equals higher training density, more muscle activation, and better fat burning results. For example, in an ab circuit, keeping your rest time short means your abs stay under tension, forcing deeper muscle activation and giving you faster results compared to resting 2 minutes between sets. Getting optimal quality and quantity of sleep is essential for your body to recover and prepare for the next training session. Like one of the functions of sleep is to allow time for your muscles to repair themselves. The longer the period of sleep, the more time for muscle tissues to regenerate and grow. Too much exercise and too little rest could result in overtraining, which could keep you from reaching your goal or lead to an injury. You need to get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep for workout recovery. Cut out processed foods as much as you can. Like these are packed with synthetic ingredients, saturated fat, sugar, sodium, preservatives, and colorants. Focus on foods as close as possible to their natural state. Make your meals from scratch. Eat nutrient-rich foods straight from the earth. Think vitamin, minerals, high-quality proteins, and healthy fats. These foods will fuel your body, improve your heart, boost your brain, and help you perform at your best. Stock up on meat, poultry, fish, seafood, eggs, vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, healthy fats, and herbs and spices. Try to avoid as much as you can white bread, sugary juices, sodas, deep fried foods, bacon, sausages, sugary cereals, white sugar, pancake syrup, bottled smoothies, fast foods in general, energy drink, barbecue sauces, frozen pies, hot dog, daily meats, instant oats, chips, donuts, fried chicken, french fries, etc. Cravings are natural. The key is to find healthier versions of the foods you love and plan for cheat meals or snacks, once or twice a week, depending on how much self-control you have. You can enjoy few foods you really like, but be mindful of the quality and the quantity. Meal prep or batch cooking. Not having to worry about what healthy foods to eat each day is key to sustaining a healthy diet. It helps you serve the portions accurately to prevent overeating. You're less likely to grab unhealthy snacks, fast foods, or processed foods. It keeps you focused on your goals, no more battling choices every day. Buying in bulk and prepping will save you a lot of time and money. It's just life-changing. You can pick at least 3 of your favorite healthy meals for the whole week. Remember, no processed foods, only whole food nutrient-dense meals with lean protein, veggies, complex carbs, packed with fiber. This is key for fat loss, satiety, and long-lasting energy. It will help you stay on track, especially when you have busy and stressful weeks. The best recipe to really mix all those natural supplements is a green smoothie. It's a low-calorie, nutrient-dense meal replacement packed with superfoods, greens, fruits, carbs, protein, fiber, essential vitamins, and minerals. This is the smartest way to get all the essential nutrients and supplements while keeping your calories low. It's packed with fiber, therefore it will regulate and slow down your digestive system, which will prevent overeating and make it a lot easier to maintain a calorie deficit without experiencing hunger or fatigue. No more peaks and crashes. That's how you sustain your energy throughout the day and also increase your energy levels week after week. We're adding spinach, chia seeds, berries, sea moss, 92 minerals and vitamins. Your protein powder, I recommend plant-based protein powder or isolate protein like sugar and lactose free to prevent bloating. A blend of super greens. You want to prolong your satiety and prevent overeating or snacking between meals? Add this green smoothie to your diet. Ginger and cayenne pepper, hands down one of the most powerful natural fat burners you can use. When you consume it in sufficient amount, the combo acts as a natural thermogenic, meaning it will boost your metabolism and helps your body burn more calories even while you're resting. It's also a natural pre-workout. You can drink it 30 minutes to an hour before your workout session to fire up your metabolism and get that extra fat burning effect. If you struggle with overeating, ginger can actually help reduce hunger and prolong satiety. Plus, it has anti-inflammatory properties, strengthens your immune system. This recipe is also perfect for intermittent fasting because once you strain it, there is not much for your stomach to process and it's almost 0 calories. It gives your system a little boost without breaking your fast. You can even make a 1-month batch and divide it into 4 or 5 bottles. So keep 1 bottle in the fridge at a time for 5 days or 5 servings and freeze the rest. Take it first thing in the morning to boost your metabolism or before your HIIT workout to kickstart your fat burning engine. So intermittent fasting, unlock your fat burning mode. So let's talk about intermittent fasting, one of the most powerful tools for fat loss. Normally your body uses glucose from carbohydrates as its main source of energy. But when you fast and glucose is no longer available, your body switches gear. It starts burning stored fat for fuel. So here's how it works. The first 6 hours, your body uses the energy from the last meal. From 6 to 14 hours, it starts drawing from your blood glucose. That's the sugar from your carbs being used up. And after about 14 hours, your body enters fat burning mode. That's when it starts tapping into the fat stores for energy. I recommend fasting about 3 to 4 days a week, aiming for at least 16 hours each time. So the easiest way to do it is by including your sleep in your fasting window. For example, if you stop eating at 6 or 7 p.m., you can break your fast around 11 a.m. or noon the next day. That gives your body at least 16 hours to reset and burn fat efficiently. Then when it's time to eat, keep your eating window around 7 hours. Avoid self-sabotage. Usually when you start seeing real results from your transformation, it's crucial that you stay consistent. This is not time to relax or get complacent. It's usually the moment where most people will fall off track. Your body is adapting, your metabolism is recalibrating, and your brain is building new neural pathways tied to your habits. Every workout you complete and every clean meal you eat reinforces those pathways. Over time, consistency literally reprograms your mind and body until training, eating right, and staying disciplined becomes second nature. So remember, the results you see after a month are only the beginning. You're building momentum. Don't celebrate too early or start changing your habits just because you feel good. That's the trap of self-sabotage. The key is sustainability, like doing the work long enough so it becomes automatic. Keep showing up, keep doing what works, and you'll notice that everything, your strength, definition, energy, and overall health continues to improve, and your best version will keep unfolding. Cut alcohol. If you're trying to lose fat, alcohol could be one of the biggest things holding you back. The moment you drink, your body stops burning fat to process the alcohol because it sees it as a toxin. Even if you eat clean and train hard, alcohol literally pauses your fat burning process. Those few drinks can easily undo a whole week of effort. Alcohol also adds a lot of empty calories without you even realizing it. 2 or 3 beers or few glasses of wine or a couple of mixed drinks can easily give you 500 to 700 extra calories with zero nutrients. Alcohol also affects your choices. It lowers discipline, makes you crave junk food, skip workout, and adds empty calories that your body is more likely to store as fat. That's why taking a break from drinking can completely change your results. You'll sleep better, have more energy, and your body will get back into full fat burning mode. An occasional drink for a celebration is fine, but if you want real transformation, alcohol has to stay off your regular routine. You want a lean body, get rid of your belly, get shredded, build six-pack abs, regain your self-confidence. My solution for you is Natty and Shredded, a unique step-by-step, easy-to-follow plan that combines the most effective science-based methods to transform your physique and maintain a fit body. It's fast, healthy, and sustainable. Reduce your body fat to 10% without experiencing hunger or fatigue. I will equip you with everything you need to know on nutrition and workout, exclusive videos with permanent access, a cookbook to spice up your meal prep, the most powerful fat loss recipes. Start your transformation now.